Non-coding RNA. Non-coding RNA is the RNA molecule that functions without being translated into a protein molecule. So, non-coding RNA is such a RNA molecule that functions but it is not translated into the protein molecule. Large number of genes are available on different genomes of the non-coding RNA. Non-coding RNA have different functions in the genomes or in the organisms. There are different types of the non-coding RNA. Some of the main types of non-coding RNA, they are ribosomal RNA, transfer RNA, small nuclear RNA, small nucleolar RNA, short interfering RNA, micro RNA, long non-coding RNAs. These are some of the main types of the non-coding RNAs. Here is the functional diversity of non-coding RNA, mean where there is the function of the non-coding RNAs. In central dogma of molecular biology, we know that DNA is converted into RNA or messenger RNA, and messenger RNA is translated into protein. The conversion of DNA into RNA is called as transcription, and the conversion of messenger RNA into protein is called as translation. In this process, there is a role of many non-coding RNA at different levels. Like in this case, when messenger RNA is converted into the protein, there is a role of 16 sRNA and 20 sRNA that actually constitute the ribosomes. So there is a role of non-coding RNA, that is 16S and 23S. When there is a translation process, there is also the role of transfer RNA. So transfer RNA is also the type of non-coding RNA. While on the other hand, when there is the duplication of the DNA or the replication of the DNA, there is a role of many non-coding RNAs. They are primer RNA, telomerase RNA. While during the transcription, mean when DNA is converted into RNA, the process is called as transcription. During the transcription, there is a role of many RNA molecules like 6sRNA, 7skRNA, sRNA, air RNA, exist RNA. So these all have a role in the regulation when DNA is being converted into the RNA. And once the DNA is transcribed, then at the level of processing, there is a role of many non-coding RNAs like snRNA, gRNA, snRNA, RNase P, self-splicing introns. So they also have a role during the processing of the premature RNA. Once the messenger RNA is produced, or the mature messenger RNA, then there are different RNAs that have the role in the degradation of the messenger RNA. Those RNAs, they are siRNA and miRNA. While during the translation and the regulation of the translation, there are some RNAs that have the role like asRNA, oxy-S, dsRA, sRNA, miRNA. They regulate the process of translation. And there is another type of the RNA that involve in the degradation of the protein, that is tmRNA. While in case of translocation, there is a role of some other non-coding RNAs. They are SRP, 4.5 sRNA, and 7 sRNA. So these are all the types of non-coding RNA and the functions of non-coding RNA in central dogma of biology. Either that can be the replication of DNA, that can be the transcription, or it can be in the form of translation or the post-translational modifications. This is a list of non-coding RNAs which have been identified in the human genome. So these are all the non-coding RNAs that have been identified in the human genome. So that is the list of all those non-coding RNAs. So if we conclude that what is non-coding RNA, non-coding RNA is a type of RNA, or it is a RNA molecule that functions without being translated into the protein molecule.